If you're looking to make extra income in 2024 and beyond, then you're in luck. The side hustle economy is booming, and there's a wide variety of opportunities to choose from that fit different skills, interests, and lifestyles. Whether you're looking to supplement your current income or even replace your full-time job, these side hustles could be the key to achieving your financial goals. Let's dive into the 10 best side hustles for 2024 and beyond. Number 1, AI-powered content creation. Artificial intelligence, also known as AI, is transforming industries across the board, and content creation is no exception. Businesses are increasingly relying on AI tools to churn out articles, blog posts, social media content, and even scripts faster than ever. The demand for AI-powered content creation is expected to skyrocket as companies look for efficient and cost-effective ways to produce high-quality content. This doesn't mean that AI will replace human writers, but it can be a valuable tool to enhance their productivity. For someone with a knack for writing or content creation, this is a huge opportunity to jump into a side hustle that leverages AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Copy.ai. You can offer freelance services to companies that need blog posts, website copy, or even video scripts, creating a steady stream of income with minimal effort. All you need is a good understanding of how to use these tools effectively. Here's a pro tip. Focus on a niche. If you can become an expert in one area, like AI-powered content creation for fitness blogs or tech websites, then you'll attract higher paying clients. How to get started. Learn AI writing tools like ChatGPT or Jasper. Build a portfolio showcasing both AI-assisted and human-generated content. Reach out to small businesses, startups, and even influencers who need regular content. If you want to get started with Jasper AI or ChatGPT, we'll leave links for those down in the description below. Number 2, print-on-demand businesses. Print-on-demand businesses have been growing in popularity over the last few years, and it's really easy to see why. The concept is super simple. You design custom items like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, and when someone orders them, the printing company handles the rest. You don't need to hold any inventory, so the startup cost is very minimal. Going into 2025, print-on-demand businesses will continue to thrive as more people look for unique, personalized items. Whether it's witty slogan t-shirts, niche designs, or even custom art prints, there's a huge market out there. The key to success in this side hustle is finding your niche. Are you into fitness? Consider creating motivational workout apparel. Do you love pets? Create custom pet-themed mugs and phone cases. The more specific your niche, the easier it'll be to target your audience. Here's how to get started. Create unique designs using software like Canva or Adobe Illustrator. Set up your store on sites like Etsy. Market your designs through social media, targeting communities that match your niche. If you want to get started on Printify for free, we'll go ahead and leave links down in the description to get started. Number 3, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing continues to be one of the most lucrative side hustles out there, and its popularity is only set to rise going into 2025. With affiliate marketing, you promote products or services through a special link, and if someone makes a purchase through your link, then you earn a commission. This side hustle is incredibly scalable, meaning that you can grow your income exponentially if you play your cards right. You can incorporate affiliate marketing into a blog, a YouTube channel, or even your social media profiles. The key is to build an audience that trusts your recommendations. Whether you're reviewing tech gadgets, sharing fashion tips, or offering wellness advice, there's likely an affiliate program that fits your niche. Platforms like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and ClickBank offer affiliate opportunities across a variety of industries. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, down in the description, we're going to leave a link to our absolutely free affiliate marketing course. Just click the link down in the description to get started. Now, one very important thing that you're going to need if you want to get into affiliate marketing is a website. And one of the best places to host a website, in our opinion, is Hostinger. All you need to do to get started with Hostinger is click the link down in the description, and they're already getting started on their Black Friday sale. So once you click that link down in the description, come here and click on Claim Deal. From here, you can go ahead and pick from one of Hostinger's 3 different plans. They have the Premium, the Business, and the Cloud Startup plan. For most of you, if you're just getting started, the Premium plan is more than enough. Coming in at just $249 per month, you can create 100 websites that can handle about 25,000 monthly visits. You get 100 gigabytes of SSD storage, 400,000 files and directories, free pre-built templates, free email, weekly backups, a free domain for the first year, and so much more. So go ahead and click on Choose Plan. Now, once you're on this page, just go ahead and choose the term that you want to commit to, whether that's something shorter like 12 months or longer like 48 months. For this example, we'll go ahead and choose 12 months. From here, there's only one more thing that you need to do, and that is enter a coupon code. So if you just type in code Charlie Chang and click apply, you're going to go ahead and be able to get a full year of hosting on Hostinger for only $32.29, which is an insane deal. So to get started with Hostinger, be sure to click the link down in the description and use code Charlie Chang at checkout. Now, here's a couple pro tips. Make sure to choose products or services that genuinely align with your brand and your values. Your audience will quickly see through unauthentic promotions, which could really hurt your reputation. Here's how to get started with affiliate marketing. Choose a niche that you're passionate about, whether it's tech, beauty, fitness, or something else. Join affiliate programs related to your niche. Consistently create content that provides value and naturally incorporate affiliate products. Number 4, online tutoring and coaching. With the rise of online education, online tutoring and online coaching are booming. In 2025, the demand for digital learning is expected to grow even further, with people looking for ways to upskill, learn new hobbies, or get expert advice in a variety of fields. If you have expertise in a particular subject, whether it's math, science, business, personal development, there's a huge opportunity to turn that into a profitable side hustle. Online platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and Skillshare make it easy to create and sell courses, while websites like Preply, Wyzant, or VIPKid allow you to offer one-to-one tutoring sessions. And the best part, you can teach from the comfort of your own home, set your own rates, and create your own schedule. Here's how to get started. Choose a subject that you're an expert in. Create course material or outline one-on-one session plans. Market your services through educational platforms and social media. To get started with platforms like Teachable, be sure to click the link down in the description to get started. Number 5, freelance graphic design. Freelance graphic design is another side hustle that's not going away anytime soon. As businesses continue to shift online, there's a high demand for eye-catching visuals, whether it's for social media, websites, or marketing materials. If you have design skills or you're willing to learn, 2025 will present an incredible opportunity for you to cash in on this talent. What's great about graphic design is the range of niches that you can choose to work in. Maybe you love designing logos, or perhaps you're more into web design or social media graphics. Once you decide your specialty, platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and 99 Designs are great places to start landing clients. Here's a pro tip. Invest in some online courses to learn advanced tools, something like Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator if you're new to the field. Even YouTube's a great place to start. You don't need a degree to start freelancing, just a portfolio to show work to potential clients. Here's how to get started. Build a portfolio showcasing your best design work. Create profiles on freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Stay up to date on design trends and continue honing your skills. Number 6, social media management. Social media isn't just for personal use anymore. It's a business essential. In 2025, social media management will be one of the most in-demand side hustles as businesses, especially small ones, realize the importance of having a strong online presence. If you're good at navigating platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or LinkedIn, then this side hustle is going to be a natural fit for you. As a social media manager, you'll help businesses build brand awareness, create engaging content, and grow their followers. You can offer services like post scheduling, content creation, and community engagement. Many companies are willing to pay good money for someone who can consistently keep their social media active and aligned with their brand. Here's how to get started. Learn the ins and outs of each social media platform. Build a portfolio by offering free services to small businesses or friends. Reach out to small businesses or entrepreneurs who need help managing their accounts. One tool that's really great for social media management is something like Monday.com. If you want to get started with Monday.com, we'll go ahead and leave a link down in the description, as well as links to other videos that we've made for Monday.com. Number 7, virtual assistant services. The role of virtual assistants or VAs is expanding, and in 2025, the demand will be higher than ever. With more businesses operating remotely, the need for administrative support that can be done from anywhere has really grown. As a VA, you could be handling everything from scheduling, customer service, email management, social media, and more. What makes being a VA so appealing is the flexibility. You can choose the types of tasks that you're best at, and clients are often looking for help in areas that align with your skills. Platforms like Belay, Time Etc., Upwork, and Fiverr are great places to start your VA journey. Here's how to get started. Determine which skills you can offer. Maybe that's administrative tasks, social media, customer support, things like that. Then create profiles on freelance platforms or reach out directly to small businesses. Provide a stellar service to your first few clients to build up your reputation. Number 8, podcasting. If you've got a passion for storytelling or sharing your knowledge on a particular topic, then podcasting could be your perfect side hustle. The podcasting industry is booming, with millions of listeners tuning in every single day. What makes this side hustle attractive is the variety of ways that you can monetize it through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, listener donations, and selling your own products. One of the best parts about podcasting is that you don't need a huge budget to start a podcast. Basic microphone and editing software is all you really need to get going. Whether you want to talk about business, self-improvement, entertainment, or even niche hobbies, podcasting allows you to build a dedicated audience over time. How to get started. Invest in a microphone and editing software. We'll leave links to some of our favorite down below. Choose a niche or topic that you're passionate about. Market your podcast through social media and podcast directories like Apple Podcasts and Spotify. If you want to make podcasting as easy as possible, then there are 2 different softwares that we recommend. One is Podcastle. The other is Riverside. If you plan on interviewing people remotely, then these softwares are going to be crucial for capturing high quality video and audio remotely. If you want to get started with either Podcastle or Riverside FM, we'll leave links down in the description below. Number 9, selling digital products. Digital products are becoming an increasingly popular way to generate passive income. From ebooks and printables to stock photos and design templates, digital products can be created once and sold over and over again. In 2025, this side hustle will be particularly attractive because it requires minimal ongoing effort after the initial creation. If you're a designer, photographer, or writer, you can create digital products that solve a specific problem or meet a particular need. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Shopify allow you to sell your digital products with ease. The potential is really endless, whether you're selling custom planners, digital art, website templates, or even educational guides. The beauty of digital products is that they can be sold repeatedly without having to hold physical inventory. You can also combine this with affiliate marketing by promoting tools or services that help customers use the digital products that you create. Pro tip, focus on creating products that solve a problem or fill a niche need. For example, if you're skilled in organization, creating and selling digital planners or budgeting templates could be a really great option. Here's how to get started. Identify a digital product that meets a demand. Example, ebooks, templates, stock photos. Create and design your product using tools like Canva, Adobe Suite, or other software. We'll leave links to our favorite down below. List and sell your digital products on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website, whether that be on Shopify or something like Hostinger. If you want to get started selling digital products on Shopify, we'll leave a link down in the description below. When you use that link, all you need to do is enter your email address, and then you're going to get a 3-day free trial. And after that, your first month only costs $1. So to get started, just click the link down below in the description. Number 10, online reselling. Online reselling is one of the most flexible side hustles that you can dive into, and it's still booming in 2025. Traditionally, this side hustle has involved buying items at a discount, whether from garage sales, thrift stores, or online marketplaces, and then reselling them at higher prices for a profit. While platforms like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari are excellent for listing items individually, there's also a powerful way to scale this business model, and that's setting up your own online store. By using Shopify, in combination with Zendrop, you can easily create a professional storefront and take advantage of dropshipping for online reselling. With Zendrop, you don't have to physically source or store products. Instead, Zendrop allows you to select popular items and list them on your Shopify store without holding any inventory. Then when a customer makes a purchase, Zendrop handles the fulfillment, shipping directly to your buyer. This approach to reselling opens up new opportunities. Not only can you sell products without ever handling them, but you can also test out different items to see what resonates with your audience. For example, if you notice a trend in electronics, accessories, or clothing, you can quickly add related products to your store without any upfront costs. Here's how to get started. Choose a niche. So decide on your category that you're interested in. Maybe that's fashion, tech gadgets, or fitness gear. Set up your Shopify store. Click the link down in the description to get started. Shopify is a user-friendly and it's perfect for reselling products in a well-branded storefront. Then connect it with Zendrop. Browse through Zendrop's catalog to find popular items in your niche, and then import them directly into your Shopify store. Then start marketing. Use social media or paid ads to promote your store and attract customers. Here's a pro tip. Stay on top of current trends in your niche, as being one of the first to sell a trending product can significantly boost your sales. By combining the ease of Shopify with product sourcing power from Zendrop, online reselling can become a profitable and extremely scalable side hustle. If you want to get started with Zendrop or Shopify, we'll go ahead and leave those links down in the description as well. Right now, if you sign up for Zendrop, you can go ahead and get 50% off your subscription plus $200 in order credits, which is basically like free money. The world of side hustles in 2025 is full of opportunities for those looking to boost their income, gain financial freedom, or even build a full-time business. The key is to find what excites you. Focus on building a solid foundation and put in the effort to grow your side hustle into something sustainable. No matter which side hustle you choose, remember that success doesn't happen overnight. With consistency, patience, and a passion for learning, these side hustles can open doors to both financial and personal growth. If you want to get started with any of the products that we talked about today, you'll find links for them down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means that we earn a small commission when you use these links at no extra cost to you. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. Here on Side Hustle Mastery, we explore a wide range of side hustle ideas, strategies, and tips to help you make extra income. So be sure to subscribe for more. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.